Hello everybody, my name is Juan Felipe Espinamera and this is my daily routine. Well, first I wake up at 7 a.m. And I feel refreshed. Then I eat my breakfast at 7:30 and I feel happy. After that, I walk to work at maybe 9 or 9:30 a.m. And I feel focused. Later, I go to gym like 6 p.m. More or less, and I feel energetic. Then I I eat my dinner at 8 8 maybe 8 p.m. and I feel hungry. And finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. And I feel relaxing. This is my daily routine. I hope that you like this, and that's it. Thank you.